Viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how can you insert a table on Microsoft Word. It's pretty much easy and simple. So let's get started our video. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe to the channel. So first, you open your Microsoft Word like this blank paper. You can take this like that, and after that on the top there you can see option insert. There you can see option insert. So just click on this insert, and after that there you can see option table. So just click on this table, and now you can select your table, your own needed row and column. You can select like that or like that. You can increase your column, you can increase your row, you can take this like that. After taking this, just double click over that, then there you can see two table already insert. If you want to increase your table more than, so just tap on this below like that, tap below, and it's already increasing. And if you want to take more inside left side, just tap on this, and then there you can see right side, it's already added. So guys, in this way you can insert a table on MS Word. It's pretty much easy and simple. I hope you can understand. Thank you everyone for watching this.